I'm not looking to be short down here, especially like Amazon at 3,200. Hell, if I can get a VPOC down here, I'm in it. No hesitation on the long side. All right, got filled. We're right at VPOC. I got 4,500 down here. Got a nice fill. Took a while to get it, but I got a nice fill there. And I'm setting a sell order out $6 over. But anyway, I've got a sell order for 80% of them here. If I can just get a quick pop sell on that one.
Order filled.
There it is. Just got paid, boy. $6, just like that. Just got paid. I didn't sell 80% there. I sold half because I felt like, I think I said 80%, but I didn't. I set out half there because 25 is my target. And I think it looks like a pretty dang good chance we're going to get it. So I'm going to sell 3 more up here at 25. And we're just sitting here at short setup. So I'm all out the one strike there. I just sold the last one. Nice.
Yeah, absolutely.
I only have 3 of the other ones. So anyway, it's got me a nice payday.
Sweet.
Got me about $7, $8 out of full size or $6 out of half and 7 or 8 out of the other one. Maybe 9.